I am deeply delighted to be here amidst this intellectual gathering today. I must congratulate on merits Dr. Hari Parameshwar for the excellent work he has done in producing this book. You know, the judges do not deliver judgments without facts and evidence. When I congratulate and commend the work of Dr. Hari Parameshwar, I adopted the same yardstick. I have read the book, I have reasonably understood it, and I am inclined to say it is one of the unique books this century has seen. It is unique in more than one ways. Many paths, many answers, not for making money, for making the life worth living. If a title of the book is there, How to Make Money, with a good marketing strategy, perhaps it would have earned tons of money to Dr. Hari Parameshwar. But the book is not for making money. The book appears to be to make how the life worth living, not for oneself, for rest of the world. That appears to be the approach. We have two kinds of books. One set of books, you have to wash your hands and read them. Other sets of books, the moment you touch them, you have to wash your hands. I only say, this book, which is being launched today, falls in the first category, that you should wash your hands and read the book. Looking to all of you, there are four kinds of readers. First category, they purchase books, don't read them. And they are meant for drawing room decoration. The second category, they read them but don't purchase them. Third category, they read and purchase. They purchase and read both. The last categories, they purchase, read, digest, and share their knowledge with well-wisher friends and families. This is the fourth category. In my view, this is an excellent category. I hope all of you here belong to the fourth category. I must compliment you also. And many paths, many answers, with a spiritual touch. And it also says the meaning of life, corporate spirituality and meaning of life. If someone asks me as to what is the meaning of life, I am incapable of precisely give what is the meaning of life. But to put it in other way, meaning of life, though may not be precisely stated, but definitely it can be said, life is a great opportunity given to every one of us to make it meaningful. And by writing this book, Dr. Hari Parameshwar, you have made your life meaningful through your book and which you have expressed. I said the book is unique and the approach is unique. Insight, connectivity to facts and realities, and stories well told very effectively and touchingly. His keen observation, intellect, analysis, objectivity, all these have gone in this book. I had not come across possibly none of you have ever seen donkey making yoga. You have seen donkey in yoga posture in the book. And it does not stop at that. Looking to the endurance, patience, loyalty, and obedience of a donkey, he has found virtues, these virtues in the donkey, and finds spirituality in the donkey. This is something unique which we have never thought of. He has given me a message that I may talk to 7 to 10 minutes. I don't want to take longer time, but I'll share, and within the time, I do value the time. 7 to 10 minutes I shall adhere to. But I would like to add that every one of us have to budget our time in the morning, audit at night. And I would suggest that in our budgeting of time, we must devote at least minimum 10 minutes of 10 minutes of time for reading a book. I think every day, even if you read 10 minutes a worthy book, I think that enlightens and adds value to our life. I think in the list, this book also can be added is my strong recommendation. That can give dividends. That may not give dividends in the corporate language of in terms of money, but I assure you, every reader will get dividends in terms of enlightenment and in terms of how to make life worth living. And he also, referring to the corporate CEO, one chapter is there in one part, that lion CEO of cat's company. That a lion which cannot sustain itself, ultimately it is cut to the cat's size. As we all know, for a successful governance or good governance, two things are important. One, the person must be competent and good, and the system also must support. Person is good if system does not support within the framework, no result. If system is good, person fails to do that, then also no good. But both are to be available. I don't want to divulge more about the book because you have to read for yourself. And I'm very happy that one more thing is added in the program, that there is a discussion about the book. I would recommend to Dr. Hari Kumar Parameshwar that discussion today on the day of unveiling the book or launching the book is not enough. I would strongly suggest there must be one more function or a program of focused discussion on the book. Of the intellectuals, you can organize a program to have a focused discussion on the book itself, and based on the result or the input of that discussion, probably you can add to the second edition. I'm sure the next edition will be very soon out, where you can have this discussion. I do not want to say anything more on this occasion, except that I congratulate Dr. Hari Parameshwar for this wonderful work, and thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.